friends, today we're gonna draw and listen a fun fact about polar bears. So let's get started. Polar bears are big, white bears that live where it's very cold. They have thick fur to stay warm and big feet to walk on ice. Polar bears are really good swimmers and can hold their breath for a long time. They mostly eat seals and use their great sense of smell to find them. Sadly, polar bears are in danger because of the climate change and losing their home. Now let's draw his cute little head. So we're gonna put one dot here and one dot somewhere all the way up there. Let's put one here and one here. So we're gonna draw all the way around it. It's gonna have a big head. Like that. Cool. Now let's add some ears. Nice. And we can also add a little hat because it's really cold in the north. Cool. Now let's add it a little scarf. Cool. Now we're gonna draw its cute little body. So we're gonna start by drawing his hands. He's so cute. Now let's draw the rest of the body. Cute little feet. And there we go. Now we can color in. We can use a little pink to add some cheeks. Oh, we can also add some cute little eyebrows. just like that. Nice. Now we're gonna use light blue to color his hat. And his scarf. Cool. We can also add some shadows. Now we can use this a little bit darker blue and maybe add some lines just like that. Cool. I'm just gonna make these lines a little bit thicker. And there we go, guys. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me today. And let's give it a little check mark, completed, and a little heart because we love our little polar bear. See you next time. Bye bye. If you like this video, please share and subscribe, and let's keep creating these super cool drawings.